2021 has really been a mixed year for investors so far. The US market has really continued its rally with the S&P 500 returning more than 19% this year, while most Asian market has seen weaker performance. So what is in store for the next half of the year? We have 3 stocks here today which might interest you. Hi guys, Stanley here. I'm the co-founder of valueinvestasia.com, an investment portal where we'll give you investment news and also in-depth analysis of listed company every single week. So if you are new to this channel, remember to hit that subscribe button so you will not miss out on any of our videos. And first, before we dive right into the 3 stocks, I would like to thank our sponsor Poems by Phillip Capital for making this video possible. The most important partner that we have when starting out in investing is our broker. Having a great brokerage can help us save money and also headache over the long term. I have personally tried so many brokerage accounts that I lost track, but one of the few that I have stuck with over the past decade has been Poems. Poems provide me with a one-stop platform where I can access more than 40,000 financial products across asset classes like stocks, bonds, future, commodity, and even more. They have a long history of operating in Singapore for 45 years now and have offices in 15 countries worldwide. With my Poem Cash Plus account, I know I'm enjoying one of the lowest brokerage rate in the market. And that brokerage rate gets even lower as my portfolio grows. I can now trade US stocks for as low as just $1.88 per trade. And user can get access to their research report, free webinars, and other tools like a stock screener directly through the account. With these comprehensive services, I can easily track and manage my portfolio with just one account. And Poems is having a wonderful promotion right now for you. For any new account opening during August, you'll enjoy a 1-month free US trades if you start a portfolio with just $3,000. You will also receive an additional 2,000 Poems rewards point, which can be redeemed up to $40 worth of voucher. So if you want to sign up for a free account with Poems today, head over to our link right here. Okay, so what is the top 3 stock that might be interesting for us to watch for the rest of 2021? Number 1, Roblox Corp. Roblox Corp is bringing a new genre of games to the market. Instead of developing its own games, it has created a platform for people to create games with. It is basically the YouTube of games. Anyone can start creating and sell their own Roblox games within the platform, and Roblox will then share the revenue made from this game with the creators. Very similar to YouTube model. And its concept is really catching on. Revenue for its first quarter shot up 140% to $387 million. With more than 40 million daily active users and close to 200 monthly active users, it is also working closely with other companies to reach out to these audiences as well. For example, it can now help companies create virtual launch events and even create games based on another company's IP. For now though, the core user of Roblox are still kids, mostly below the age of 12, who might have limited spending power. So apart from expanding its platform to more people, it might need to attract older gamers as well. But if the company can achieve that, then its addressable market can be a multitude of what it is today. If you're an investor looking for your unique and game-changing company, then Roblox might be one you want to watch. Number 2, Apple. Apple has just reported a wonderful set of results last week and its revenue grew 36% and its net profit for the quarter almost doubled from a year ago. Although management has warned that the growth might not be as strong for the next quarter, it would still be very good. What is fascinating is that here we have a company that is more than $2 trillion in size, but yet still growing like a startup, 36% a year. Even with the pandemic and the US-Sino tension, Apple continued to grow. It really shows how resilient the brand and the business is. And we know that Apple is optimistic for the future because some analysts have suggested that Apple is expecting an even higher iPhone 13 sales. Some reports are suggesting that Apple is putting out 90 million production target for the new phone, which is a 20% more than their usual order. And with its recent change in privacy policy, I think that might really be a key differentiating factor for Apple going forward. This is because most tech companies make money from user data, most famously Facebook and Google. They give all their services for free, and in return we give them our information where they can sell to advertisers. But for Apple, because of their strong branding and the pricing power that they have, they do not need to do that. Now Apple is making a promise to consumer that they will always protect our data so we can feel safe sharing more data with them. And they are indeed preparing us to share more with them. Through the Apple Wallet and Apple Health, it means that we will be sharing both financial information and also health information with Apple. And by highlighting their data protection and privacy policy, customers might be more willing to share more information with Apple. And if all of our deepest secret is with Apple, then we are more likely to stay on with them, meaning that we will be buying iPhones and maybe subscribing to iCloud till the day we die. And this is something very hard for other tech companies to follow. Facebook and Google built their business by offering free services and selling data. It's almost impossible for them to now change their entire business model. Even if they do that, because we are not accustomed to paying for Facebook or YouTube, we might still prefer the free option. So Apple has really created a stronger moat for themselves going forward. Number 3, Sunny Optical. Sunny Optical Technology is an optical lens manufacturing company. It is the second largest handset lens manufacturer in the world and now the largest in China, with factories in not just the mainland but India and Vietnam as well. They also have a global research team. The company produces all types of lens products from mobile phones camera, automotive lens, headlight, LiDAR systems, security camera, VR and AR components, and also lenses for medical and scientific instruments. And the company has been really growing very fast. Sunny Optical grew its revenue by 35% a year over the past decade, and its profit grew at 41% a year over the same period. Even in the last 3 years, it is still able to achieve about a 19% a year growth rate for both its revenue and profit. That growth is largely fueled by the rise of the Chinese handset manufacturer. Smartphone brands like Huawei, Vivo, Xiaomi or Oppo are now global brands which are almost unheard of a decade ago. These companies also contribute about 60% of the revenue for Sunny Optical. But now, the company is tagging onto a growth of another industry, the automotive one. Automotive camera lens industry is expected to grow about 18.5% a year over the next 5 years. And Sunny Optical has already established itself as a leader in the vehicle lens market. With the development of more driver assistance software like the Tesla Autopilot and eventually fully autonomous vehicles, the need for sensors and cameras on the vehicle is greater than ever. Tesla currently utilizes 9 camera modules on its vehicle, while a fully autonomous vehicle like the one from Waymo has more than 29 cameras in the vehicle. As the technology becomes more mainstream and trickle down to other manufacturers, Sunny Optical is already the main supplier to support this growth. Sunny Optical is now listed in the Hong Kong Exchange with a market capitalization of 260 billion Hong Kong dollars. And it's definitely a stock you want to watch if you're interested in EV and also the autonomous vehicles. So that's the 3 stocks that might interest you. If you want access to detailed report more about Sunny Optical and Roblox, you can sign up for a free Poems account where you can access their internal analyst report. Do remember that their promotion is only for this month, so do head over to our link right here to register now. The whole process only takes about 5 to 10 minutes. As always, till we meet again, my name is Stanley. Invest safely.